Advocate Skippers.
Thank you, Chair. In your opinion, in this data set that you had in your possession, were the emojis used in a non-standard manner in the communication or in the standard manner like in the Unicode?
Chair, there were emojis in this data set that I analysed that were not used in the standard manner as per the document in Unicode.
And what I understand from Advocate Madonsela's cross-examination is you have to interpret the emojis used by the standard meaning attached to it from Unicode. Is that correct? That's the gist of the cross-examination. That context is not important. According to you, what is important?
What is important is context and to interpret, Chair, the emojis within the context of the communication.
Advocate Skippers. Advocate Madonsela has never said context is not important.
That's correct. Let me put it this way. To follow your opinion that emojis were interpreted in a non-standard way in the communication, it was put to you that the JP said that he took the monkey face emoji with the closed eyes monkeys as being flirtatious, that the complainant was flirting with him. According to you, you said it was embarrassment.
That is correct, Chair.
Just turn to item 128 of the Unicode that was provided to you, Exhibit 3.
Sorry, what number, Advocate Skippers?
128. It's the monkey closing its eyes emoji.
I see that.
Now, if you look at the keywords, is flirtatious there in the keywords? Or flirt?
No, it is not.
So there it was used in a non-standard way, or interpreted in a non-standard way?
It was.
By the respondent himself?
It was. That is correct, Chair.
And one of those keywords there, in the second line, the second last one, what's the wording?
You mean the SMH?
No. And the last word in the keywords. In the second line of the keywords there,
OMG?
The second last one.
No.
No. So that is one of the meanings that's attached by Unicode.
Yes, that would be correct.
Thank you. No further questions.